everyone, welcome to back our channel. In today's video we are covering some important multiple choice questions from the fundamental of nursing, where you are preparing for your exams and brushing up your knowledge. These questions will be helpful. Let's get started. The question is, which of the priority concern in nurse while caring for a patient with opioid addiction is? There are four options. A. Difficulty arousing the patient. B. Oxygen saturation of 95%. C. Respiratory rate 12 breaths per minute. D. Pain score 50 on scale of 0 to 100. The correct answer is option A. Difficulty arousing the patient. Difficulty arousing a patient is a sign of central nervous system depressions and potentially opioid overdose, which can lead to respiratory arrest. This is the highest priority. That's why A is correct answer, difficulty arousing the patient. Next question. Which of the following drug increases the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding? A. Aspirin. B. Acetaminophen. C. Tranexamic acid. D. Dextran. The correct answer is option A. Aspirin. Aspirin is an NSAID that inhibits prostaglandin and can damage the stomach lining, increases the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding. The increasing the risk of gastrointestinal bleeding, that is aspirin. Next question. A client is complaining of urinary urgency and frequency. Clean voided urine sample appears to be cloudy. Most probable diagnosis will be A. Cystitis. B. Dysuria. C. Nephrotic syndrome. D. Hematuria. The correct answer is option A. Cystitis. Cystitis, that is bladder inflammation or bladder infection, commonly causes urgency, frequency and cloudy urine due to the presence of pus or bacteria. That's why A is correct answer, cystitis. Next question. Post-operative period respiratory complication can be prevented by A. Deep breathing. B. Coughing exercises. C. Incentive spirometer. D. All of the above. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. All options help to prevent atelectasis and pneumonia post-operative by promoting lungs expansion and clearing secretions of the lungs. All of the correct answer. Next question. A drug that relieves flatulence is known as A. Carminative. B. Purgative. C. Antacid. D. Astringent. The correct answer is option A. Carminative. Carminative prevent flatulence. Carminative help to expelling gas from the intestine and relieve floating and flatulence. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, share and comments and subscribe for more nursing content. And if you have any questions or want to more practices MCQ, drop them in comment. See you in the next video.